See, as far as the Goa municipality elections are concerned, the first primary objective was to assess the requirement of wards vis-a-vis the population. So that has been accomplished. Taking into account the census figures of population, we have now revised the wards in few municipalities. To begin with, the biggest municipalities such as Mormugao and Margao, which have touched 1 lakh population, we have gone for a revision from the existing 20. Now all A-class municipalities, the law requirement was it could go up to 20 wards. That we have amended through an ordinance, and now we have made it 25. So also Margao 25, Mapsa, which is a B-class municipal council, taking into account the population figures, have gone for a revision. We have gone for a revision from the existing 15 to 20. Bicholi from 10, we have gone to 12. Kunkoli from 10 to 12. Kurchore, Kakoda Municipal Council from 12 to 14. And all the other councils such as Kepe, Kanakond, Sangye, Perni and Walpoi, they have been retained at the figure 10 because there is no appreciable change in the population in these councils. As far as the delimitation is concerned now, what we have done is we have entrusted the work to the respective Taluka Mamladas. Now they are supposed to classify exactly which wards need to be rationalized, the population needs to be rationalized, and the principle that will guide them, we have specified very clearly that it has to be in contiguity. There cannot be piecemeal voters on one side and piecemeal voters on another side. It has to be contiguity has to be maintained so that the uniformity also will be seen. Each ward would consist of roughly around 3,500 voters in bigger municipalities. There are a few financial implications for having increased the number of wards, which is not abnormal, you can say. It is very reasonable, and we have already placed this before the government, and the bill that will follow, the ordinance, in that bill all these things will be taken care. The financial implications, everything will be taken care. Yeah, the 25th of October has been recommended by the Election Commission, which the government has approved recently, and we have conveyed back to the Election Commission that government is prepared to hold the elections on 25th. So now the notification will have to be issued by them.